A Varo verification failure usually means the app couldn't confirm your identity, verify your phone number, or complete a required security check. The fastest fix is figuring out which verification step is actually failing, instead of repeating the entire sign-up process. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons Varo verification fails, and the steps that usually get your account verified. Start by checking the information you entered. Make sure your legal name, date of birth, social security information if requested, phone number, email address, and home address exactly match your official records. Even a small typo or an old phone number can stop the verification process before your account is approved. Next, review your identity verification. If Varo asks for a government-issued ID, take the photos in bright lighting with the entire document visible. Make sure nothing is blurry, cut off, or covered by glare. If a selfie is required, remove hats or sunglasses and keep your face fully visible, so the app can compare it with your identification. Now check your phone verification. If you're waiting for a one-time code, confirm your device can receive standard SMS messages. Don't request multiple codes one after another because each new request can invalidate the previous one. Wait a few minutes. Request another code, and enter the newest code as soon as it arrives. Your internet connection matters too. Use a reliable Wi-Fi connection or mobile data while completing verification. If you're connected through a VPN or public network, disconnect from it temporarily and try again because additional network security can sometimes interfere with identity checks. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available Varo updates. App updates often include fixes for verification, login, and security-related issues. If you've already submitted your identification, avoid uploading the same documents repeatedly, unless Varo specifically requests another submission. Identity reviews may take time, and repeated uploads usually don't speed up the process. If everything appears correct but verification still fails, the issue may be related to temporary server maintenance or a service interruption. Waiting a short time before trying again can often resolve problems that aren't connected to your account. If the error continues after completing these steps, contact Varo customer support through the app. They can review your verification status, identify exactly what's preventing approval, and let you know if additional information is needed. To recap, verify your personal information, submit clear identification, use a stable internet connection, update the app, and contact Varo support if verification still doesn't complete. If this guide helped you fix your Varo verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and banking app tutorials.